I want you to picture this. You're using your phone like normal, scrolling, watching videos, maybe playing a game. Then suddenly you notice something. It's getting warm, then hotter, then uncomfortable to hold. Your screen dims. Everything slows down. And maybe you even see a warning. Phone temperature too high. So what's actually happening inside your phone? Is it just heat? Or is something going wrong? Because here's the truth. When your phone overheats, it's not just getting hot. It's actively trying to protect itself. Let's start with the main source of heat. The processor. Every time you use your phone, the processor is working non-stop. Running apps, loading videos, handling data, and all of that creates heat. Normally, your phone can handle it. It spreads that heat across its body and releases it into the air. But here's the problem. Your phone has no fan. No cooling system like a laptop. So when you push it harder, like gaming, streaming, or using it in the sun, the heat builds up faster than it can escape. But the processor isn't the only thing heating up. There's something even more sensitive inside. The battery. Your phone uses a lithium-ion battery, which relies on controlled chemical reactions to work. And those reactions are very sensitive to temperature. As heat increases, those reactions speed up. That might sound helpful, but it's actually dangerous, because higher temperatures make the battery unstable. So what does your phone do? It starts defending itself. Inside your phone are temperature sensors, constantly monitoring the heat. And when things get too hot, your phone activates something called thermal throttling. This means it deliberately slows itself down. It reduces performance, dims the screen, limits what you can do, not because it's failing, but because it's trying to survive. Think of it like this. If you were running in extreme heat, your body would force you to slow down, not by choice, but to prevent damage. Your phone does the exact same thing. Here's something most people don't realize. By the time your phone feels hot in your hand, the inside is already much hotter. And if that heat continues, it starts causing real damage. Over time, overheating wears down your battery. It reduces how long it lasts. It shortens its lifespan. And in extreme cases, it can even cause the battery to swell. And it gets worse when you do one specific thing. Using your phone while it's charging. Charging already creates heat. If you're also gaming or streaming at the same time, you're stacking heat on top of heat. And your phone struggles to keep up. That's why your phone overheats the most when you're gaming while charging using GPS in direct sunlight streaming videos on mobile data. You're pushing multiple systems at once. So what happens if it gets too hot? Your phone takes more drastic action. Apps close. Charging stops. The screen dims further. And if needed, the phone shuts itself down completely. That's not a glitch. It's a safety mechanism. So the next time your phone overheats and everything slows down, remember this. Your phone isn't malfunctioning. It's making a decision to sacrifice performance, to protect itself from damage. Because inside that small device, there's a constant balance between power and heat. And when that balance breaks, your phone chooses survival. Every time. If this changed how you see your phone, hit the like button and subscribe for more hidden stories behind everyday things.